Here's how to check your Gmail password on mobile. There's a couple different ways. We're going to look at iPhone and Android and hopefully help you out. If it did, leave a like on this video so it gets out to more people. All right, so first on the iPhone, there's a couple spots where you can check your Gmail password. First, when we go into our Gmail account, if we're already signed in, then we can tap on the profile picture in the upper right, and we can go to manage your Google account. So maybe you don't know your password, but you're signed in, so you're trying to figure it out. So what we can do from here is go to security and sign in, and there's another button where there is a password manager. You can also just click the little search icon in the upper right, start typing in password, and you're going to find password manager right here will pop up. So we tap on that. It takes us to the password manager for our Google account, which is our Gmail password. That will show up here if you're on the correct account. If you're not, then click that profile picture, switch accounts, and try to get to the right one, and check to see if you've saved your passwords on your actual Google account. You may not. It's a little bit more common probably to save your password on your device than it is on your actual Gmail account. So if we back out of this and we look at our device, it kind of depends on what device we're on. On the iPhone, there's this Passwords app. You can find Passwords app in your utilities or somewhere on your phone. It looks like these keys. When we tap on that, we're going to unlock this with our phone. And our iPhone has the possibility here that we've saved our passwords. And there's probably a lot in here for you. So you click on all or tap on all, and you can search through here for Google, for Gmail, for YouTube, anything like that that's going to be that Google account or that Gmail account password. And you might even find gmail.com or something along those lines. And you can tap on that password or that username. And in this entry, we can actually tap on password to see our password for that username or that email. And you can actually look through all different passwords. You might have used the same password. It might help you remember what the password is by seeing the password to a different site where you've probably used the same one. So that could be another case there where this Passwords app actually helps you kind of navigate through. The last one is by browser. So for Safari, the password app would be the browser password saving. But if you use Chrome on the iPhone, then you're going to find a password manager for Chrome itself. We're already in it here, but I'm going to exit out and show you how to get to it. So we've got the profile image in the upper right. That would be like managing our account. But in the lower right, we're going to see those three dots. And inside of here, we can go to settings or we can go to password manager. There might be a button right here where we can just tap on it and it will open up the password manager for Google Chrome. We will need to authenticate quick, iPhone passcode, and then you'll find your passwords here if you've saved it within the Chrome browser itself. The Chrome browser, the three dots in the lower right, it's a little bit different on Android. I'll show you where that is. But on iPhone, you've got your browser's password saving, your device password saving, and your Google account password saving, where you can see or check your Gmail password on your iPhone in any of those spots. The worst case scenario is you go sign in and you just have to go through the forgot password and update your actual password. So the account recovery method would be the last resort for you to actually get a hold of your password for your Gmail account. Now on Android, same kind of stuff. It's just going to be kind of different spots. So we've got the Gmail app here on Android. So we can tap on our profile image in the upper right. And once we do that, we can then tap manage our Google account. Now, one quick tip here. Sure, we can go through this process, manage account, search for password manager and all that. But the easier way might be to go to browser. And this is for mobile in general. So on your phone, whether you're on iPhone or Android, you go to your browser and you just go to passwords.google.com and it takes you to the password manager for whatever account you're logged in on. Now, this might not work if you're not logged in on your browser. So you might need to go through Gmail and get to the manage account and go to password manager like we did before. Whatever app you're logged in on, you can get to that password manager to try to check it and see if it's been saved on there. In this case, it hasn't, but we can also check the password manager for Chrome on Android. We'll click the three dots in the upper right. We'll come down here a little ways to the bottom and go to settings. Inside of here, we're going to see password manager, Google password manager here down toward the bottom. And this is kind of like password manager for our device, essentially on Android, and also the browser. And so we can find passwords here that we've saved potentially. And so whether you're going to passwords.google.com to check passwords saved on your Google account, or you're going to the device password manager, essentially, those are two spots where you can potentially find and see your Gmail password on your phone on Android. And also, you can go through that forgot password flow, and actually recover your account and then update your password as well. That's when you're trying to log into something that you haven't been logged in on in a while, or when you're just going to, your Google account here and you're going to manage it. You can go change your password or whatnot. Or if you're not signed in at all and you go to sign in, you actually will see right next to the sign in on the password page, you're going to see forgot password. You click that and you start to go through that process. So, and you can use your other phone or device that you might be logged in on and just say yes on that device. You can use the try another way. So you'll see it'll prompt you for one of those like authentication ways. And then if it doesn't work for you or you don't have that device, you just say, okay, I need to try another way. And it goes to your recovery email. It goes to your phone number. If that's attached, it goes to your authenticator app, all these different ways of verifying who you are to make sure you can log in and then have the ability to change your password if you need to. That's how you can check your Gmail password on mobile, both iPhone and Android. Hopefully this helped you out. Leave that like. Comment down below if you have any questions or anything, or just comment if it really helped you out. I appreciate seeing it, and it helps this video grow and reach more people. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys in the next one.